Top 10 food trends that are reshaping what we eat. From plant-based to sustainable food is more than just fuel for our bodies. It's a huge part of our culture, our celebrations, and even our identity. But have you ever noticed how what we eat changes over time? New ingredients appear. Old favorites get a fresh twist, and our ideas about healthy eating evolve. These changes aren't random. They're driven by new discoveries, global influences, and a growing understanding of how our food choices affect both our health and the planet. Right now, we're in the middle of an exciting time for food, with many new culinary movements taking shape. People are thinking more about where their food comes from, how it's grown, and its impact on the environment. This shift is leading to incredible innovations and a whole new way of looking at our plates. From choosing more plant-based meals to embracing technologies that reduce waste, these trends are literally reshaping what we eat, one delicious bite at a time. Let's explore the top 10 food trends that are making waves in kitchens and restaurants around the world. 1. The rise of plant-based perfection. Beyond veganism. The plant-based food trend is perhaps the most significant culinary movement right now, and it's much more than just a diet. While veganism, eating no animal products at all, has been around for centuries, the modern plant-based movement is about making plants the star of the plate, even if you still occasionally eat meat or dairy. Its origins can be traced back to ancient philosophies and religious practices, but the current surge is driven by a combination of factors: increasing awareness of animal welfare, the significant environmental impact of meat production, and growing scientific evidence about the health benefits of plant-based diets. This trend isn't just about replacing meat with alternatives. It's about celebrating the incredible variety and versatility of fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. Restaurants are creating innovative dishes where vegetables are the main event, and supermarkets are filled with delicious plant-based milks, cheeses, and meat substitutes that taste better than ever. For our health, consuming more plants means more fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, often leading to a lower risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. For the planet, choosing plant-based options reduces greenhouse gas emissions, land use, and water consumption, making it a crucial step towards a more sustainable food system. This movement is evolving rapidly, with Plant-Based 2.0 focusing on whole, unprocessed plant foods and more sophisticated alternatives. 2. Regenerative agriculture. Healing the earth with our food. Beyond just what we eat, there's a huge focus on how our food is grown. Regenerative agriculture is a farming approach that goes beyond simply sustainable practices. It aims to restore and improve the health of the soil, boost biodiversity, and capture carbon from the atmosphere. Traditional farming methods can deplete soil nutrients and lead to erosion, but regenerative practices like cover cropping, planting crops to cover the soil, no-till farming, not disturbing the soil with plows, and diverse crop rotations help rebuild the soil's natural fertility. The impact of sustainable food on the planet through regenerative agriculture is profound. Healthy soil acts like a sponge, holding more water and reducing the need for irrigation. It also sequesters carbon, helping to combat climate change. For health, this approach can lead to more nutrient-dense foods, as healthy soil produces healthier plants. Consumers are increasingly seeking out products from farms that use regenerative practices, recognizing that their food choices can directly contribute to environmental healing. This trend is not just about reducing harm, but actively making the land better for future generations, showing a deep connection between our food and the health of our ecosystems. 3. Zero waste. Cooking, eating every scrappy bit. Think about all the food waste that happens every day, from vegetable peels to leftover bread. Zero-waste cooking is a culinary movement that tackles this problem head-on. It's all about using every single part of an ingredient, creatively transforming what might otherwise be thrown away into delicious dishes. This isn't just for fancy chefs. Home cooks are also getting on board. For example, broccoli stems can be spiralized into noodles, carrot tops can become pesto, and stale bread can be turned into croutons or bread pudding. The impact on health and the planet from this trend is significant. Reducing food waste means less food ends up in landfills, where it produces methane, a powerful greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. It also conserves the resources, water, land, energy, that went into producing that food. For personal health, it encourages creativity in the kitchen and often leads to eating more whole foods, as you're thinking about the entire ingredient. This trend also overlaps with upcycled foods, where food byproducts from one process are used to create new ingredients or products, like making flour from spent grain from breweries. It's a smart, eco-conscious approach to food that benefits everyone. 4. Personalized nutrition. Your body, your diet. We're moving away from one-size-fits-all diets towards a more individual approach called personalized nutrition. This trend recognizes that what works for one person might not work for another, because everyone's body, genes, and lifestyle are unique. Thanks to advancements in science and technology like DNA testing and gut microbiome analysis, looking at the bacteria in your gut, we can get a much clearer picture of what nutrients our bodies truly need and how we react to different foods. The impact on health is potentially huge. Instead of guessing, people can make informed choices based on their specific biological makeup. For example, a DNA test might show you're more sensitive to caffeine, or a microbiome analysis might suggest you need more specific types of fiber. This can lead to more effective weight management, better energy levels, improved digestion, and a reduced risk of certain diseases. While the origins of this trend are in scientific research and advancements in biotech, its growing popularity is driven by consumer demand for tailored health solutions. This culinary movement offers a future where diets are truly designed for you, leading to optimal well-being. 5. Functional foods. Eating for wellness and beyond. Functional foods are not just about providing basic nutrition. They offer additional health benefits beyond their fundamental nutrients. Think of foods that are fortified with extra vitamins, or those that naturally contain compounds that boost your immune system, improve gut health, or even enhance cognitive function. Examples include probiotics in yogurt for digestion, omega-3 fatty acids in fortified eggs for brain health, or adaptogens, like certain mushrooms, in beverages for stress relief. This trend is a direct response to a growing consumer interest in preventative health and using food as a form of medicine. The origins of this trend lie in scientific research discovering the specific benefits of various compounds in foods. The impact on health is clear. By incorporating these foods, people can proactively support their well-being, manage specific health concerns, and potentially reduce their reliance on supplements. For the planet, the focus is often on natural, whole ingredients, and some functional foods also fit into sustainable agriculture practices. This movement blurs the lines between food and medicine, allowing our diets to become powerful tools for wellness. 6. Global flavors and culinary fusion. A world on your plate. Our world is more connected than ever, and this is wonderfully reflected in our food. The global flavors and culinary fusion trend is about exploring diverse cuisines from around the world and creatively blending them. It's not just about trying an exotic dish. It's about seeing how different culinary traditions can inspire new, exciting combinations. For instance, you might see Korean barbecue flavors in a taco, or Japanese ramen techniques applied to Italian pasta. The origins of this trend are in increased international travel, immigration, and the widespread availability of global ingredients through online marketplaces and specialty stores. The impact on health can be positive, as many global cuisines emphasize fresh ingredients, herbs, and spices, and offer a wider variety of nutrient sources. For the planet, this trend encourages culinary diversity and often uses ingredients that are locally available in their native regions. It also helps to foster cultural understanding and appreciation, making eating an adventurous and enriching experience that brings the world to our tables. 7. Sustainable seafood and alternative proteins. Beyond meat, diversifying our plates with increasing concerns about overfishing and the health of our oceans, sustainable seafood has become a major trend. This means choosing seafood that is caught or farmed in ways that don't harm marine ecosystems or deplete fish populations. Look for certifications from organizations that ensure responsible sourcing. Alongside this, there's a strong push for alternative proteins that go beyond just mimicking meat. This includes exploring new plant-based sources like algae, fungi, and pulses, as well as exciting innovations in lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated or cultured meat. The origins of these trends are rooted in environmental consciousness and scientific advancements. The impact on the planet is substantial. Sustainable seafood protects marine life, while lab-grown meat dramatically reduces land use, water consumption, and greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional livestock farming. For health, these alternatives can offer nutritious protein sources with potentially lower environmental footprints. While lab-grown meat is still gaining widespread acceptance, its potential to reshape food production for a sustainable future is immense, offering solutions for feeding a growing global population without depleting our natural resources. 8. Hyper-local sourcing and community-supported agriculture. Know your farmer. While local food has been popular for a while, hyper-local sourcing takes it to the next level. This means getting food directly from farms, gardens, or even rooftops within a very small radius of where you live or eat. Community-supported agriculture is a big part of this, where people buy shares from a local farm at the beginning of the season and receive a regular box of fresh produce throughout the harvest. The origins of this trend are a desire for freshness, traceability, and supporting local economies. The impact on health is direct. Food travels shorter distances, meaning it's often fresher, retains more nutrients, and you know exactly where it came from. For the planet, hyperlocal sourcing significantly reduces the food miles, the distance food travels from farm to plate, cutting down on transportation emissions and packaging. It also helps to build stronger, more resilient local food systems and connects consumers directly with the people who grow their food, fostering a deeper appreciation for the journey of food from farm to fork. 9. Next-gen snacks and convenient wellness. Snacking smarter. Snacks are no longer just about quick fixes. They're becoming sophisticated vehicles for nutrition and wellness. The trend towards next-gen snacks and convenient wellness focuses on options that are not only tasty but also packed with functional benefits, whether that's extra protein, gut-friendly probiotics, or energy-boosting ingredients. Think of healthy snack bars made with whole foods, innovative plant-based jerky, or creative fruit and vegetable blends. The origins of this trend stem from busy lifestyles and a growing consumer desire for healthier options that fit seamlessly into their day. The impact on health is positive, as it encourages people to make better choices when hunger strikes, moving away from highly processed, sugary snacks towards more nutrient-dense alternatives. This trend also often aligns with sustainable practices, as many of these snacks prioritize natural ingredients and conscious packaging. It's about making healthy eating easy and accessible, ensuring that even when you're on the go, you can still nourish your body smartly. 10. AI and data-driven food, the future on our plates. This trend might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but AI and data-driven food is already beginning to reshape how we produce, distribute, and even recommend food. Artificial intelligence can analyze vast amounts of data to predict consumer preferences, optimize growing conditions for crops, reduce waste in supply chains, and even create personalized recipes based on individual dietary needs. Imagine an app that suggests meals perfectly tailored to your health goals, activity level, and even your mood. The origins are in technological advancements and the increasing availability of data. The impact on the planet is immense, as AI can help make food systems more efficient, reducing waste and optimizing resource use from farm to fork. For health, AI can drive personalized nutrition to an even greater degree, helping individuals achieve specific dietary outcomes. While still evolving, this current culinary movement represents the cutting edge of food innovation, promising a future where technology helps us eat more intelligently, sustainably, and healthily.